Today I'm very happy because I received my Marshall Major 4 headphones, or these ones. I've always wanted some headphones of this style over the ear. They use USB-C cable and the auxiliary, and this is a very special button because you turn it on, you get the volume up, down, and if you press it once, it stops the music. They come with their charger, and it's obviously Type C and USB. It has this amazing design of the cable, reminiscing of obviously the Marshall amps, and this cable, this auxiliary cable that you can connect right here. There, and into, I don't know, your musical equipment, or any kind of thing that you can use that has auxiliary cord. No? Like them a lot. I've tested like 2-3 hours, both with the Bluetooth and with the auxiliary. The auxiliary tested with my record player, with here the headphones. So yeah, they work really nice. When you open the box, it comes with two things: the legal and safety instructions and the quick start guide. This quick start guide is very nice one. Why? First, as you can see, it tells you how to use the bottom, where it steps, how it's done, to pair it with the instructions and all. You can see it's quite nice. Marshall on here. And here are the instructions. As you can see, they're very easy, fast. You don't have to worry a lot about that kind of stuff. It won't be complicated. So yeah, like I was saying, they are very comfortable. This is the right side. They are very comfortable. They have an amazing sound. They have an excellent quality of materials. I like these colors. I got the brown and black ones because, as I've said, they are more reminiscent of the Marshall lamps than just the black ones. Both are great, yeah, but I prefer these ones. So yeah, I really recommend it. They are perfect for going to school, being on an airplane, on a bus. Yeah, it was an excellent buy.